My name is Andy Keeler. I'm the president of Jasper Hill Farm. Here at Jasper Hill, we milk about 45 cows and we turn all our milk into cheese, artisan cheese. We've been working on this green machine project in order to be able to capture all of the nutrients associated with the waste products on our farm and our cheese manufacturing facility and all the cleaning that happens in cheese making. We've been able to put together 3 different technologies in order to achieve this. First is an aerated static pile composting system, which was developed by Highfield Center for Composting. This is our aerated static pile composting system. Underneath this concrete, we have grooved channels, and the pile is under vacuum, so we're pulling air down through the compost and recovering the heat. And this is an integral part of our waste treatment program here at Jasper Hill. Behind you, you can see the fuel that we will be using to heat up 21,000 gallons of what we call shea, which is liquid manure and whey from our cheese plant. It's a nice dry material, and in our first trials, we've been seeing it get up to about 160 degrees. So here we are on the other side of the compost pile, and these pipes coming out of the wall come out from underneath the compost, and we're sucking air up into this manifold here. So we have 9 different compost bays. We can draw air through each one of them individually, and then this air will go up into a room upstairs that we can go see, where the air goes through an isobar, which is a heat exchanger. It's several large tubes, stainless steel tubes filled with refrigerant that transfer the heat from the hot air that we're sucking out of the compost piles into water. We're then using that water to maintain our anaerobic digesters at about 100 degrees. So this is an integral part of getting our methane production to work. So the air is being sucked up through this big, long device here. Inside there are 5 25-foot long stainless steel tubes. And behind me here is about 300 gallons of water. This piece of equipment is transferring the heat from the air into the water. After the air passes through the isobar, we have the option of either venting it outside on a hot summer day or putting it back into our greenhouse in the cold winter months. The air coming out of the isobar is running at about 96 degrees Fahrenheit. So these are our anaerobic digestion tanks. We have 3 7,000 gallon tanks. They're buried about 4 feet in the ground. They're pretty well insulated. We need to maintain these tanks at about 96 to 100 degrees in order for the bacteria to be able to break it down and create the methane that we're looking to capture to make hot water. So this is our advanced botanical system. The effluent, once it goes through the digestion process, will travel through these 7 aerated tanks in order to be able to treat both the liquid manure, the whey from our cheese making process, and all of our wash water. So by the end of this process, we're looking at having 100% nutrient capture from all our waste.